A synonym UDF can be used to map questions from each data vocabulary in BMT base. To create a new synonym UDF, select the Create New Synonym button in the UDF home screen. This will take you to the Create Edit Synonym screen. In the Create Edit Synonym screen, you will need to enter the name of the synonym, and the type of value that the synonym will take as input. All questions can be categorized according to the type of answer each question provides. Yes/no type questions require you to pick either yes or no to answer the question. List of value type questions such as patient gender require you pick an answer from a list of predefined values. Date type questions such as transplant date require you to enter a date. Number and text type questions require you to enter numeric and text values respectively. For our example, we are creating a synonym for the different recipient gender questions in TED, Reports, and Agnes. Therefore, we choose the List of Value option. A synonym will take one question from each vocabulary and map them to one another. The process of adding questions for a synonym is very similar to when we create reports. We find the question in the tree, or search for the question we want. Repeat until you have all questions added. Select Save and Continue to go to the next step in defining our synonym. The Associate Questions and Value page is where we map values from one question to another. In the case of discrete value options such as patient gender and primary disease, we pick the values that we want to be mapped to one another and give it a name. For example, we can map the value female in TED to female in Agnes and female in reports, and call this mapping female. Select Add to add this mapping. We can then do the same thing for male. If necessary, we can also include the unknown and unspecified values in Agnes with either the female or male mapping. Once we have finished with our mapping, select Save and Finish to complete your synonym. In the case of non-discrete value options, such as date and numeric value range, because it will be nearly impossible to create mapping for every possible date, we use the Value Specified on Form option to define our synonym. Then, instead of entering a hard-coded name for our mapping, select the Use Value Specified on Form option to complete your mapping. This will allow the value that is actually entered for the question to display in our report. To delete a mapping definition, select the Delete button. Once you have finished entering all the mappings, select Save and Finish to complete your synonym and return to the UDF homepage.